Hey everyone, today we are again back with an inspiring story of a startup called Rent Easy, which is developed and maintained by three young teens. You are going to explore and get inspired by the story of startup. I am Aman Kumar and you are listening to Sprouting Dog. First of all, hey everyone, welcome to Sprouting Dog. So today we have our guest, the developer of Renteezy app, namely Satvik, Nikhil, and Dhanwant. So before we move ahead, Dhanwant, first of all, let's start with you. So Dhanwant, tell me about your introduction and your contribution in Renteezy app.
Hello guys, my name is Dhanwant. I'm studying to class 12
Okay.
and my contribution in Renteezy app in is bug reporter and then server manager and designer
Okay.
in Renteezy.
Now moving to Nikhil. So Nikhil, tell me about yourself and your contribution.
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. I'm Nikhil Kita. So I'm the app developer for Rentizy, and even I designed some logos and images
Okay.
for Rentizy.
Okay. Got it. So now moving to Satvik.
Hello, myself Satvik Teja. I'm studying in 12th standard. I'm handling about the marketing for the app and giving some designings for the app and giving some future ideas for the Rentizy.
Thank you, Satvik. So thank you all of you for your kind introduction so that audience can recognize you and your work as we move ahead in podcast. So I want to ask you guys like the basic question, what is Rent Easy?
Renteezy is an app in which it's a platform where you can find houses and you can give houses to rent
Okay, so
in
it's
one
a
word.
renting based app. Okay, got it. So how it is different from other house renting app? Like how it stand out from other house renting app?
Yes, bro. Rentizy is different from other apps because
Hmm.
of in other apps only we can find houses only in cities
Hmm.
or some towns. But Rentizy is not an app only in cities or towns. It can useful for all over India
Okay.
by
Okay.
using pin code.
Okay. So like as we know, the major renting app are Housebreaks and all of that. So they provide you house in major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. But you guys are doing like renting house in villages or let's say local area, right? And that's a really great unique idea.
Yeah, thank you for that.
But but we may have a question there here.
Sure.
So No Broker and Housing.com are big companies and big apps. So why can't they start this? Why can't they allow users to post their houses all over India? Because what's the difference between the major difference is this, but somewhat why they can't start means so they are doing a commission or like they are keeping some agents to find a house for rent. I mean, there are lots of employees working in No Broker and Housing.com.
Yep.
So
Absolutely.
yeah, so they need a huge money to implement these features all over India. But coming to Rentizy, so there are no third-party agents in our app. Only direct,
Okay.
direct renter to owner. So owner can renter can contact owner directly. So there is nothing mediator in between, and no one is need to pay any fees. No need to pay
Okay.
any fees or any charges. Yeah.
Like there is no broker in between, right?
Yeah, no broker and even no subscriptions or no nothing plans or direct. If you want contact details, user can go through by watching an ad.
It's
Wow.
a free app for all users.
That's a really great concept. Like that really make your Rent Easy app stand out from other apps. That's very great. Now the question from users, like how it is secure and safe for them.
Yeah. So before logging in to the app, user must need to verify his phone number. Then only we are giving the contact info of owner.
Okay.
So every user should verify his number. Then only we are allowing him to use the app.
Okay, okay. Now come the interesting part. How the journey begins, like how you guys planned this Rent Easy app and how the journey started actually.
Yeah, I mean we have facing a problem. I mean in my area there is no, I mean we are in a village and town, so we can't find any houses. If we find a house through the the tenant is demanding a huge amount of money, and even I mean we are trying to even it's hard to handle. I mean taking a bike and riding whole day, and even we got the house the prices and we are not satisfied now.
Got it.
So we got a plan to make Rent Easy. I mean my friend Nikhil is trying to make an app. So we had just gone to him and why can't we design an app which is useful for us?
Okay, great, great. So like when you started making this app?
Yeah, we started building in 2019 October. I think
Okay.
it's festival of Dasara. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So
Like
yeah.
in which grade you are at that time?
So at that time we are in 10th standard.
Whoa, that's like most of the teenagers
We all
at
are
that
in 10th.
yeah. So most of the teenagers at class 12 or 11,
Yeah.
they'll like okay, just roaming around playing PUBG and all that stuff. But you guys are doing really great things, awesome things. Okay,
Yeah.
so like how do you manage the studies also and this app building also? Like how it goes?
Yeah. So when we are getting holidays, so at that time we are developing this app. So
Okay.
at other times we are staying in hostels. So at
Okay.
10th standard hostels, phones are not allowed even. Something like that.
Oh.
So we just started our work only on holidays. So,
Great, great. Great,
yeah,
Nikhil.
Sundays and Saturdays.
Okay, Saturday, Sunday. Like you have a major issue like that your hostel cannot allow phones in your hostel rooms. Oh. Now that's really
Yeah.
great, Nikhil. Now jumping to like what are the difficulty you faced while making the app? Like what kind of like some money issue or maybe let's say not having a good laptop or good having high budget PC like what?
Yeah, actually to say we have all difficulties. So whatever you say, we have all that problems.
Okay, okay.
So first of all, we know just a little bit. I know just a little bit of coding. I'm not a perfect or depth coder. So I know I just know some basics. That's it. So I started with basics, and when we decided to start the project, we don't know how to
Like
create
how it
servers,
will go
how to
in further.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
We don't know even how to publish the app in Play Store. We don't know how much it costs to publish in Play Store.
Okay, okay.
So later, we just started. That's it. We
You
don't know
don't think
where
any
when will we complete this. Don't. Yeah,
like just started.
yeah, just started, and then
Great, great.
we depended most upon internet,
Mhm.
and even YouTube.
Hmm.
Actually, I didn't have a good laptop at that time. I just have a old Dell PC.
Okay, okay.
So with
Uh,
that, I continued. Yeah.
Wow. So, like, you mean you just started, and that's the main difficult part. Uh, Anything that need to be started is, I think, the major issue, like just getting started. So that's great, Nikhil. Like you started at that time at 10th grade, and with all these difficulty that you had, don't have the laptop, or you have not
Yeah.
so experienced in coding, but you learned coding
Yeah.
while making the app, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great, great, Nikhil, great. Now, like how you all three or you got all the members in your group?
Yeah, actually, we are friends from childhood, and
Okay,
some
okay.
of friends are we met in playing cricket. We all have this. We know this problem. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We all know that problem. Actually, even my parents faced the problem to find a house for rent. Even Dhanat and Satvik noticed this problem. So we
Okay.
all together on a fine day after a cricket match, we discussed about this problem, and after 2 3 days we started doing this.
Great, great. So, like, uh, if in future, when the rent easy app will be so much grown, and that time your meeting will be held, and you will
Yeah.
say, like, okay, we just started with a cricket match. Great. So, guys, like, how you get the users in your app? Like, I think that's the most difficult part after making or launching an app or website, like to get the users on your website.
Yes. So building an app is a difficult task, and getting users is a much bigger task than building an app. You
Actually.
know, yeah, uh, there are many software engineers. They know how to develop app, but why they are failing? Even some of them have started some startups, but they are failing due to the lack of marketing.
Advertising, right?
So yeah, the same problem we faced. We build the app, and actually our goal is to just to publish it in Play Store. We don't know. We should do some pre-registration and pre-marketing before launching that. We should build some excitement for users before launching that.
Okay. Okay.
We don't know that. We didn't notice that problem. Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Like you are
uh, uh,
that time are just started, so you
yeah,
don't know that much, right?
yeah.
So like
So
how even after that you gain 5k plus downloads in Google Play Store.
yeah. So next, for nearly about 2 to 3 months, we just have only 50 installs, and that's
Okay.
a very sad news. But, actually, I started doing research on how to get installs. So I found for websites there will be SEO, for applications there will be ASO. So I
Okay.
learned some
So can you,
design. I mean,
Nikhil, can you explain the audience what is SEO and ESO?
yeah. So ASO, App Store Optimization. I mean, so when a user search in Play Store about some whatever the app or whatever the software he wants, so that is SEO or ASO plays a major role because so if the app is in the top or if the app is ranked #1, then only user will download, right? So if a user search for a rent home, I want a home for rent.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that rent easy should be shown first. Then only user will download.
Actually.
Yeah. So yeah. So first we need to uh, grow or increase our keyword ranking. So
Okay.
for that we need to learn SEO or ASO. So what are the things that play a major role in SEO are app icon and app description, and
Okay.
even app rating. App rating is a major one.
Like your logo should be attractive to users, right?
Yeah, logo and app name
Okay, app
should be
name, yep.
somewhat, yeah,
Should be
somewhat
short
different.
and sweet. Like okay,
Yeah,
anyone can remember that, right?
yeah,
Let's say
the
Nike. So like everyone remember that name Nike. Like the short. So short name I
yeah,
think is more preferable. Right, right.
yeah, and even different.
Actually different, different.
Yeah,
Good.
and the app store screenshots also play some role.
Like they
Yeah,
show the main
uh,
UI of the UI and UX of
yeah,
the.
yeah. After seeing the app store page, the user should understand what the app is. Then only they will install the app.
Actually, first impression is the last impression. Yep, got it, got it. So, like after this, um, how many users you get? Like you just grow an constant graph or like a parabola or what kind of?
Bro, what the Nikhil tell is perfectly right. what the developing is a big step. After the doing the marketing is the one of the biggest step than developing.
Actually.
After developing the app, we contact some local channels in our district
Okay.
and
So
we
like
spread our about
you
our
guys are also on news channels, right?
Yeah, we
yes.
featured in the local channel.
Yeah, that's great. Okay.
And they are spread our about app or through over our district,
Okay. Okay.
and our district people are downloaded it and using. They are using now.
Okay.
And our
So
next step is to know all over the states and all over India.
hmm
This is our next step
so like
to make
how
more users.
Actually, we need investment to do all this.
okay, okay.
And so actually the negative thing that we are is very minors and we are teenagers. So but as we featured in the news, so same thing should be happen once again. Then if we target about the major part, then we can get some more installs. And if we
Okay.
have, if we got some investment, then what they think like.
If you got the investment, so you will run the advertisement on uh, all the social medias and TV channels maybe. So yeah, I think that will be a great opportunity for you. Yep. So like how much you earned in last month or maybe let's say last 2 months? Like what's your current growth?
Yeah, current growth. So, as I said, you for 6 months we got $50. Nearly we are getting $6 to $10 per month because see, if we take Instagram and Rentis, if you compare, so Instagram users will use Instagram daily. I mean, so we will
Actually.
open Instagram daily. Yeah, we will use Instagram daily. But coming to Rentis, when he will open at monthly once or when he want to shift a house
Like
or
maybe
when he want to
let's say
find out, then only
well,
he will use that. Yeah,
like once in a 2 years or
yeah,
maybe 3 years. Yep, I got you.
yeah.
So I
And
think that's the
we
major
actually I said
difficult part. Yep.
yeah, and users can pay, and so at least they will open once in a month.
Actually, like
Yeah,
once in a month.
and
And you guys are
actually
getting payment through advertising only
yeah,
because you are
and
not charging any subscription or kind of.
yeah, and even we need more content first to develop. If we didn't have any content, so user can't find houses.
Like
Then
you
he will
need
get
more owners.
yeah. Then he will get negative impression on the app and he will uninstall the app.
Yep, yep, yep. Like you need more owners and you have to reach out more local areas
Yeah,
to find
and
the owners.
so whoever the audience who are watching this, so if they have a house for rent, please post it in Rentage, and that's for free. So when try just try because we don't know whether when will when you may get a renter. So
Actually,
we should try all the possible ways.
actually, these are doing
Yeah.
great and these guys are doing great. So support them as you can, as much as you can. And now,
Yeah.
Nikhil, you said you have to find the local owners of the app, of the house. Sorry. So like, how
Yeah.
will you find the owners? Because you can't go to every every city or maybe let's say every village of the India. So how will you find those owners?
Yeah, sure. First, we need to bring awareness in people. Then only, if they understood, if they, I mean, if we take suppose WhatsApp. So if we take WhatsApp before 2010 or before 2015, there are less users for WhatsApp, and even many of them don't know how to use
Actually.
WhatsApp. Many of them don't know what is WhatsApp. So they should get awareness when they most the thing we can get new users is by one to one. I mean, user to user experience or user to user sharing. Actually, we download the because of our suggestion by our friend or family member. Yeah.
Actually.
So to do that, we should do some referral program. I mean, refer and earn, like that program. And
Like refer
even
and earn.
even we can get through that by serving good services. Like if we uh, arrange a house for a tenant or a user, I mean, if we settle him or if we find a house for him, then he will trust us. Then he will what if he and the both if the both users are satisfied. I mean, a renter and the owner are satisfied now. So renter will tell to other 10 members, and owner will share this with his friends or
Yep,
colleagues who
yep.
are having the properties.
Actually, so I think that will be the publicity of this app by
Yeah,
user to user experience,
yeah,
right? So, like, I think in this field, like renting field, or you have made this app called Rent Easy. So I think in this part you have to marketing and advertising it a lot than the other, like WhatsApp or let's say Instagram. These apps, every each person uses this app, like WhatsApp and Instagram. But in your case, in Rent Easy, once a month your user will open, or maybe let's say 2 or 3 years to find an house or some kind of. So I think that's the major issue.
yeah.
Okay, so Nikhil, now come your first income, and like how you got the first income and your reactions after that, like that first money you got.
Yeah, actually, I said that rentage is based on ads, or revenue model is based on advertising. So our first earning is $50. So, I mean, for each ad impression, we will get some, I mean, nearly 0 to $0.01 like that
Okay, zero
for
point
each
zero.
impression.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
After publishing in Play Store, nearly after 6 months, we we made $50. And
Okay.
even it's the payment threshold of $50. Then immediately after reaching the payment threshold, we withdraw to our bank account. I mean, our parents' bank account.
Okay, okay. Got it. Like,
Because we are minor, we didn't have bank account. Yeah.
okay. So I think teenage guys don't get hostels or PGs, you can say, in the small area, right? And you're solving that problem,
Yeah.
the hostel and
Actually,
PGs.
currently we are not on. We kept only for rent, and we are planning to keep lease and, as you said, PGs and hostels also.
Okay, great, great, Nikhil, great.
Yeah.
Now, actually, I downloaded your Rentees app. It's great, and I saw that you have coupon codes from Swiggy, Redbus, and Rapido. Like, how you collab with these big companies? Like, how it goes?
Yeah. Actually, have not collaborated. You know, like affiliate marketing.
Okay,
So there is a website like Qlinks. So in that affiliate marketing means reward marketing.
okay,
If Swiggy is there, Swiggy want to increase their customers, so they can increase their customers by giving some offers, but they don't know where to give the offers. So they depend upon like Qlink and some other affiliate marketing websites. So in that websites, as a developer, so we can create an account, and we can get coupons to be placed in our applications.
okay,
And if a user use that coupon, we will get some commission from Swiggy. So like that. But
okay,
currently we are just small and we are not getting any commission.
okay.
If we increase
Like,
users, then we can.
you contact the third party app to get the coupons, right?
Yeah. And one more startup, mamagang.in. So we contacted them directly. Actually, they are also from Hyderabad.
Okay,
So they are nearly 20 to 23 age group.
okay.
So they like our startup, and they issued a coupon, rent easy 100, like
Whoa.
buy one get one offer. So
Okay, like how you guys like find those startups and companies? Like you only cold call or cold email them, like, or meet them actual real person.
so actually we found their Instagram page, and even they have a less number of followers, nearly 500. So
Okay,
we contacted them like, from Instagram.
okay, okay. So that's the part
Yeah.
of, I think, Satvik, right? Like he contacted.
Yeah, Satvik and even Tanwan.
Okay, okay. Got it. Now, tell me, guys, like where you want to see Rent Easy app in next 5 to 7 years.
Yeah. Hashtag one app for house and shop renting in India.
Oh,
Not only house and shop renting, even in lease, as I said, too, PG and hostels,
hostels, yeah.
everything. Renting, purpose of renting for houses and shops.
Great,
The
great, man,
hashtag.
great. Yep. So the audience are listening to this podcast, and if they want to join you as a team member, or if they want to contribute in your app, so how can?
Yeah, sure. Anyone who are interested in this startup, even for investments or to work with us, anyone can contact us. So I'll give you contact number and
Please, guys, support him, and whoever are listening to this podcast, support them, guys, or donate them. If you are an investor, so check it out, them guys. They are doing really great things.
even it's not a negative thing. I mean, getting less active users is not a big negative thing. So we can call it as we need more users. Then we can overcome this problem, right? Yeah.
Yep, got it.
Yeah,
Like,
if
yeah.
Instagram have 100 installs, we need 1,000 installs. I mean, not like not
Yeah,
comparing
like
to Instagram. Yeah,
I like got your idea. Like,
yeah,
if they are 100, we need 1,000.
yeah.
Got it. So I will provide you the description of Rent Easy app on Google Play Store. Make sure to download it. And thanks for all of you for joining this podcast and share your interesting story as well as your mind-blowing app called Rent Easy in this podcast. So that is all for this today, guys. Hope you guys learned something new and innovative and inspiring also. So see you guys in the next podcast. Until then, keep meditating and stay safe.